Good buck, Krista.
Heck yeah, it is. It's the biggest one I've shot so far.
It's a nice 10-pointer.
I like him.
That's awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Aren't you glad you didn't shoot one of those hogs that
I
came
am.
through there? That's a nice buck. You hit him good right on the point of that shoulder, quartering towards you. He's nice. Pretty buck.
I got shook up bad.
Yeah, I got shook up. I'm a cameraman and I was shook up as bad as you. I thought there was a big 8 came through here Sunday morning, and I thought that's who he was when he showed up. He's a 10.
Cool.
Nice buck.
It's the biggest one I've killed.
Biggest one you killed. That's the first buck you shot with the AR too, isn't it? Well, that's a good deer. Well, guess what? Right after you shot your buck, Mom called and said that she had just shot a buck.
I wondered what that was.
I figured that those hogs that we spooked, I figured they went back to her.
Yeah, I did too. That's what I thought she shot.
I can't believe she shot a buck this early in the season. He better
I
be a
know it.
whopper. So, well,
I don't know. I'm kind of hoping mine's bigger than hers.
well, yours is a 10-point. I don't know how big her 9 is going to be, but
Hey, he's got more points. It's got to count for something either way.
he's a nice deer. Well, let's go see if we can get him drug out of here and go get Mom. I know where Mom's buck is. It's a long ways down in there. I mean, it drops off 80, 90 feet straight down.
Aww.
Yeah.
So that mean I have to help drag him?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, let's go. Tell us what happened real quick.
Well, I was sitting off the side of this hill, and after a little buck came out and crossed across here, and he was up in here farting around, and I heard Krista shoot, and when she shot, he ran back down towards the creek, and right after that, a big buck, or bigger buck, and a doe came out across the bottom down there, and I shot him. I killed him.
Well, let's go down there and look at him. This grass is tall. No, that ain't the one I saw.
Oh, that's neat. He's critched. And he's got my favorite thing.
Krista, yours may be 11-pointer, but Mama beat you.
I don't care. Mine has more points.